Good morning, class. Welcome to your science class. Hope all of you enjoying yesterday's holiday. Yesterday was holiday, na? That is Sunday, and all of you enjoying now, na? Yes. And come to your topic. Today date is 14 December 2020, and day is Monday. Yes, you know, friends. Yes, and which chapter is going on? Which chapter is going on? Chapter 9. Air around us. This is your chapter. And hope all of you read this chapter. Previous topics you read now. Yes, you know? Yes, no? Yes. And this is your science book. And these previous pages I am explained you. This page both. And this page both also. And today I am starting properties of air. This is your topic. Today's topic is properties. What is the meaning of this word? Properties. Anyone tell me? Properties of air. It means properties, qualities. Which qualities of air? Okay? Merits. This is, for example, if you have one doll, suppose that is student, and that doll is very beautiful, but that doll cannot talk. It means that is demerits. Demerits. Yes or no? Suppose that this time I am showing this type of toy. This is very small toy, and this is looking very good quality. Yeah, and this toy have different types of color, like that, here orange, here white, here green, here yellow. And this toy is very good for below 2 years, but this toy is good for above the 2 years. They are not interested with playing big children's. Yes, you know? Yes, no? It means this is demerits. And this toy is not running with the with remote control. This is a demerits. Yes. So here I am telling you merits of air. Which type of merit? Which type of qualities? Okay. Uh, okay. Understand it, friends? First, I am going to read this page number 72. So open your book, everyone. Page number 72. This is reading time. And student, one more thing. Reading time. These things do not write in your copy. In your fair copy. All things you have to write now. This type if you have any problem, you all things write in your rough copy, in revision copy. But don't write these things. Explanation, when I am explain any chapter and you write now these all things in your fair copy. Don't write in your fair copy. Only you have to write now hard words and question answer. Okay, and these things you have to write now in your rough copy and in your revision copy. Okay, student, understand? Okay, very good. Then let's start today's class. And today's topic is properties of air. First, I am going to read this chapter. Okay? Okay, student, open your book, page number 72. The topic is property of air. This topic is. So, everyone open your book and your finger on your book. Okay? Put your finger on your book. Yes, I am starting. Okay? I am starting reading. Properties of air. Air has no color, no taste, and no smell. Air takes up space and gives shape to things. Air, when filled in a football, takes up the space inside and gives it a shape. Here is a picture. Look at here. This ball is filled with air very well, and this football is not filled with air properly. That's why this shape is proper round shape and this shape is not proper round shape. This is good ball? No, it is not in proper shape. And here is the example of two balloons. Here one balloon is filled with air and this balloon is empty balloon. Okay? Yes. Then come to the next point. Air has weight. A blown up balloon is heavier than a flat one. Thus, air has weight. Look at here this experiment. Students, in your book, this balloon is filled with air and this is empty balloon. That's why this balloon weight is light and this balloon is heavier. So here is a balance machine, and this type here is this balloon is heavier, showing now in this balance machine. Yes or no? Because here is a heavier weight. Then move to the next point, that is keeping the air clean. We should plant more trees because they help to reduce the amount of carbon dioxide in the air. We should walk or use bicycle to travel short distance. We should use public transport such as buses and trains or try to carpool. Okay. Factories must be built away from the cities. Fact, Delhi is said to have the driest air. Fact, Delhi is said to have the dirtiest air in the world. Okay, students? Yes, students, your reading has been done now by me. So everyone, after the class, read this chapter 2 times in the presence of your parents. Here I am explaining the remaining part of this chapter. And this is the properties of air. Which type of properties of air? It means first, air has, first point is here, air has no color. Air has no color. First point, I am explaining here. Air has no color, no taste and no smell. We can see air? No. only we can feel air. And we can taste it? No. We can taste it? No. Okay. And no smell and no taste. Okay. Only we can feel it. First point. Then second point is this: air take up space. Air take up space. I'm explaining this point. Take up space and give shape to other things. Students, this is your favorite thing. This is an empty balloon, and this balloon is filled with air. Okay, when I am blowing this balloon, this shape, this balloon is this type of shape. Okay, it means air take up space. I am filled here. When I am blowing now this type of this balloon, it means air filled here, and it take space, and it gave shape. Okay, round shape. This point I hope all of you understand now. After that, next point is air has weight. This is air has weight. Air has weight. How can I prove it? Look at here. This is a empty balloon. It means in this balloon there is no air, and in this balloon this balloon is filled with air. When I measure now both balloon in measurement machine, it means this balloon is heavier comparison to this. It means air has weight, and you can do now this type of experiment in your home. Okay, like that you take one empty ball and you take now one big ball. So which ball is heavier? Big ball, no? It means air has weight. Okay, I think these 2-3 points are clear now, and we cannot see air, we can feel it. And air contain dust, different kind of gases, water vapors, germs, etc. Then next point is keeping the air clean. Why this point? Keeping the air clean. This is second point. Okay, students. First point is this point is done now. Then keeping the air clean. Why we should keeping the air clean? Because we take oxygen gas. And where is oxygen gas? Oxygen gas is present in the air. So we should plant more and more trees, because plants help to reduce the amount of carbon dioxide in the air, and they give oxygen gas in the air, and oxygen gas is very important for our life. Okay, keeping the air, what we should know? It means we should more and more tree planting. First point, we should plant more and more trees. Plant more trees, because plant give us oxygen gas and they reduce carbon dioxide gas, and carbon dioxide gas is harmful for us. Okay, first point. Second point is we should walk for short distance using for bicycle. Okay, for walking. Why? Due to, if we are using now motorbike, we are using now car, four-wheelers, they produce too much pollution, air pollution, because they are running to petrol, diesel. That's why they are polluted now our air. For short distance, we can use now our bicycle, okay, and we use now, we are going to walking now. This is healthy for us. Yes, you know. Yes. Then third point is, this point is clear now, and second point is also clear. For short distance, we should, when we are going to for short distance, we are using our bicycle, and we are going to for walking. Okay, then move to the next point. Next point is, we should use public transport. What is the meaning of this word, public transport? One more thing, student. Public transport means, uh, for example, when your school is open now, some students home is very far and they are coming to school to transport by the to coming the school transport like this bus, school van. Yes, you know. And in a bus there are 25 to 30 students come together. Yes, you know. Yes, no. It means in one time, there in one time, when in one bus, and together 25 to 30 students come now in a bus. Okay, it means there is low air pollution. Only one bus is running now. Yes or no? Yes, now if all students are coming their private transport, they come to with their parents, they come to their four-wheeler vehicles like that car. It means 24 vehicles produce air pollution, and that is not good. Okay, so we should use public transport. This is main point. We should use we should use we should use public transport. Public transport. Okay, to reduce the air pollution, like the public transport such as like the bus and trains, and try to carpool public transport, and that is reduce air transport, and try to come now public transport, all of you. And here one thing is new word is for you, that is carpool. I am just told you, and I am giving you example like that 25 to 30 students come in a one bus and they reduce very less air pollution. That is the example of carpool. Okay, it means in carpool they are using now public transport and they reduce the air pollution. Understand, students? Yes. And the factories, the industrial areas are built away from the cities, because factories produce too much air pollution. That's why that factories must be built away from the cities. And in our country, Delhi is the capital of our country, and it is the uh, dirtiest air in Delhi, the dirtiest air in the world. It means that is Delhi is our country. It means in Delhi there is too much air pollution. Yes, you know. And students, we must breathe in a fresh air. We should keep the air, so we should plant more and more trees. Okay, students. And a healthy person breathe almost, one more thing, this is important point. A person breathe, a healthy person breathes almost 60 kg of air every day. For breathing, a healthy person need to 60 kg air. Okay, students, it means this chapter is all of you understand now. and all points are clear now. What is the air, what is the wind, what is the breeze, and what things contain the air, and what is the properties of air, and keeping the air clean. What is air? We can see it? No, we cannot see it. Only we can feel it. In short, I tell you, we cannot see the air, and it has no any color, taste and smell. Air contains different kinds of gas. It is the mixture of different kinds of gases and water vapor also. And air is a mixture of dust and germs. Okay, and we should plant more and more trees to reduce the air pollution. Okay, students, that's all.